Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to complete an order in Etsy using Printify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, here we are going to see this ready. And this is how you can process for completing orders on Etsy. And simply, as you can see, Printify will automatically mark it as shipped. That means whenever like the order is shipped and everything, it will be marked shipped and it will be syncing the tracking number to Etsy. And there is nothing to do. That means you will already have your listings that will be here and you can add listings. And of course, you will need just to make sure that your listing is, for example, uh, is using uh, by another company and everything. And also, it will be added automatically here. So whenever the order is made in Etsy, it will be created here. And whenever it is shipped or whenever it is produced and everything, you will find like the status order in the tracking that will be changing or the status that will be changing in the tracking. You can find it here. And of course, it will be uh, added to your listing from Etsy. And by that, it will have like some kind of automatic synchronization, and that means you won't need to do anything. So you will need just to focus on selling and marketing product, and basically everything will be handled using Printify, or it will be handled by Printify. And as you can see, you can also like have some settings for having like notification or uh, concerning routing, approval, just for some monitoring. But what concerns like completing your order, it will be simply automatic. And whenever the order will arrive or to the buyer, it will be marked as complete. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.